Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to learn JavaScript. So as I mentioned in the previous video how to install the basic requirements, I will tell you today. Here are the basic requirements, VS Code. So let's go to the Chrome browser and search VS Code. So VS Code download directly we can search like that. Then we will get this download link. So click that and then we will get page like this. So here we have the three options. For the Windows, we have to click here, and for the Linux and for the Mac. So based on your machine properties, you can click here, whatever the machine you have based on that, and install it. So after installation, you will get the VS Code like this. This is the VS Code. And then we have to install the Node.js. Again, go to the browser and type Node.js. And we got these options. Click the download button and then we got this page. In this page we have multiple options based on our machine type. We can download. If you are using Windows, if you want MSI, you can download based on your machine properties. So if you are using Mac, you can download this one, and this is also based on your machine properties. If you are using Linux, this one. And after that, VS Code extensions, LiveServer and Path Intelligence. Go to the VS Code and these are the main options. So this is the file, like whatever the files we are creating, it will comes under here only. This is search bar. When we click this, we can search anything in this file, means whatever the application we have created. In that we can search anything, whether it is a small one letter, one character, like that. This is source control panel, and this is about running the code and debugging it. And this is extension option. So mostly we will use first one and search bar, also extension, and mostly we will use these two only. And now we have to go to these extensions and we have to find, yeah, path intelligence. Just search this path, you will get path intelligence. This is I already installed, that's why I got this button as uninstall. So if you are going to first time, you will get button as a install. Then click the install button, then you can install it. After that, live server. Just type the live, you will get this live server. And then same here also, I already installed, that's why I got this. Just install this by clicking the button, install button. So these are the four things. I mean, of course, you should have the knowledge about HTML and CSS. These are the four things, basic requirements you should have. After that, I will tell you how to run the JavaScript, and I will tell you what is main.html, what is script tag, how to call the external file into our application, our any of the file, and how to print the output using console. So all these things I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.